Now that we have our banner optimized, our next objective is to create a text. Therefore, we'll be adding a layer here. So what we do is go to the type tool, and over here is the type tool, and what we do now is just click and drag it to where we want the text to be. Notice how a new layer was made there, and we'll just type in what we want. In this case, we call it my banner. You can highlight it and choose what typeface you want to do here. But this example, I'm sticking with this Bavise kind of type. So I'll click there, and using the move tool, I'll be situating it in the area I want it to be. Notice that it is white because over here I have decided that it's going to be white. You can actually choose what color your text to be by just selecting them by double clicking, and over here you may choose what kind of color you want it to be. And let's just say for purposes of this, we want it, we want it somewhat like this, and click OK. And there is okay, that is the banner. Okay. Now, it may be too, let's say, too much. So we can put some effects there by clicking this down, and let's say put some drop shadow and move this over to the side so you can actually see the shadow here. You can play with the blend mode. You can do it just in normal mode. And over here is the distance. See, you notice how the shadow actually moves as you click it. Let's put some more opacity there. See, you can probably see it better now. And distance or size is there. See, you can even put an outer glow. So just it defines the outer edges of your text. Let's change the color into, let's say, we can even use the color over here. See that bluish thing there, and we click OK, and there it you have the outer glow for this text, and you can just click OK. Now the beauty about this is you can actually change the opacity or the appearance between this and the background. So let's try it. There you go. So it has that subtle effect of the text. That ends our lesson for today about putting text on your banner.